In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a Salesforce email as a PDF. By the end, you'll know the quickest, most reliable way to capture an email from Salesforce and store it as a shareable, neatly formatted PDF on your computer. First, sign into your Salesforce account. Make sure you're using a browser you're comfortable with, since the print dialog can look slightly different across Chrome, Edge, Safari, and Firefox. Once you're in, head to the record where the email lives. This is typically found on the related email section or within the activity or task record if the email was logged there. Navigating directly to the record where the email is stored ensures you're saving the exact conversation you need. Open the specific email you want to save. Give it a quick scan to confirm it's the right message, and check whether any important details, such as dates or attachments, are visible in the body. Remember, attachments themselves won't be included in the PDF using this method. You're capturing the email content as displayed. Next, open the print dialog. You can press Ctrl+P on Windows or Command+P on a Mac. Alternatively, look for the Print Email button, which commonly appears at the top right of the email window in Salesforce. Either action takes you to the same print preview screen. In the print dialog, change the destination or printer to Save as PDF. Different browsers may label it slightly differently, such as Save as PDF, Microsoft Print to PDF, or a similar option. If you don't see it right away, expand more settings or open the System Print dialog to reveal additional printer choices. When you're ready, click Save or Print, depending on what your browser calls the button. You'll be prompted to choose a folder on your computer and to give the file a name. Pick a location you'll remember, like a project folder or your desktop. For naming, consider something clear and consistent, such as the email subject plus a date, so it's easy to find later. Finally, click Save Again to create the PDF. The file is generated immediately and stored in the folder you selected, preserving the email content and layout as shown in the preview. That's all you need to archive, share, or attach the email as a PDF wherever it's required. If your print preview looks off, try adjusting margins or scaling under more settings before saving. And if the Save as PDF option is missing, check your browser updates or use the System Print dialog. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing in Salesforce.